Hey, hey, pussy nigga got me fucked up. Nigga, stop that flagging, you ain't in that water. Don't fuck with my fam, I kill for.
Hey guys, welcome to the mob. It's your boy King, and today we'll be unboxing the OSMO Mobile 2. You can acquire this product at around $139. I got mine from the Apple Store, but you can get yours from Best Buy and online. Okay, but first, before we get into this product, let me turn on the lights. Okay, the lights are on now. We can get into the product. Okay, so this is the OSMO Mobile 2. It's from DJI. I got mine from the Apple Store today. It was at the mall. They sell these in the mall in the Apple Store. So it's the OSMO. So we're gonna get straight into it. So you can get this for around, hold on, let me see where it's at. You can get this for around $139.95. It's a pretty cheap one. I heard it's not like it's better than buying a $500, $600 one at somewhere other than, you know what I'm saying, like at somewhere like online where you don't really trust it and you don't really know. So we're just gonna get straight into it. If you guys want to, link will be in the description for other ones that you guys can probably get. If you guys want the links in the description, let me know after I drop this video, and I'll put the links in the description for you guys, because obviously you guys can't let me know right now. And don't ask why I'm doing this. I'm just doing this because it's kind of fun. But okay, let me stop playing. Let's get straight into it. I did a lot of research on it. I've been doing a lot of research. I searched it up earlier today to see, because I didn't know which one I wanted to get. But like when I went and got an iPhone 10 today, and I went to go look and I went to go see. Let me put this trash over there. This is the one with it has the price on it. But I went to go see the iPhone, the new iPhone that came out. I think it came out today or yesterday, one of these days. And I looked at it and I was seeing it. They have a lot of DJI products there. Oh, you have to cut this. They have a lot of DJI products at the Apple Store. And I've always wanted an OSMO. Oh, they got this kind of cool. If you guys can really see that, the OSMO Mobile. It's pretty cool. But I've seen it online and stuff like that. So today I seen it and I was like, why not? Like, I got it for you guys because I know you guys complain a lot about the videos. So we're going to do this for you guys. Get you a new one. All right. So it comes in this little carrying case. Hold on. Can I get the case out? It doesn't want to come out. Okay, there we go. It comes in this little carrying case with that there, so you guys can look at that if you want to. Hold on. There we go. It comes in this little carrying case. It's a really nice carrying case. It says DJI on it. So I guess like this would be where you put it at, you know, because it's very sturdy. Okay, but this is where you would store it at. It came in this case. This is a very nice case. So let's see if I can get this open for you guys. Ooh, it's really tough to open. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's connected on one side. All right. It says OSMO Mobile right here, and this is the product itself. Okay, it comes with a USB cord for charging. I heard that you can also, well, I searched up and I was seeing like what was so good about it, and they were telling me that you can also charge your device while your device is on the gizmo. So it comes with, it's a 3-prong gizmo, which means that it has one here, it has one here, and one here. So it's a 3-motion. It's a 3-motion swivel is what they call it. So the basic is your phone's supposed to be stabilized like this. It keeps your phone stabilized, or you can have your phone like this now. The older one, the one that they had before, it had another attachment, like such as this one right here. It was up here, so it made it more sturdier. It was heavier. It was more sturdier, but now they made it lighter, and it's made out of like an aluminum and plastic, like mixed together. Not mixed together, but some parts are aluminum and some parts are plastic. It's a very light plastic. It feels very nice to the touch and stuff like that. Okay, now let's see if this does turn on though. Let's see if it comes with any charge. You hold the M, is what I've seen. You hold the M to turn it on. No? Okay. I don't think it is charged. I don't think so. Okay, but we're gonna look at the instructions. It's not jump in too hard. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is the box. It comes with a package of instructions. Okay. that over there with the other trash. Sorry, you guys, for the view over here. Okay, so it comes with 3 different little booklets, 3 different little packages. One of them says where to help. This is I think this is the app. This is the app that they have. They have a DJI Sport app. It says scan this code for Facebook Messenger app. You can text DJI. I keep calling them DJI. I'm sorry for that, you guys. But you can text DJI and ask them questions. That's why it says where to help. And this is the Facebook Messenger. So it's basically just telling you that. And then on the back, it's telling you the shield of it, and it's saying that you have quality insurance. It includes water damage, free 2-way shipping. So this is the warranty basically on it. Accidental hardware damage coverage is the warning, basically. Okay, so we're gonna sit this over here for you guys so you guys can still see that. Okay, now the next one is the Osmo Mobile 2 packet. It gives you everything, all of the statistics. Sorry for the little stutter there. All of the statistics on the Osmo Gizmo. It just tells you everything that you need to know, what kind of battery it has, lithium, all of that stuff. The battery life does also last up to 15 hours now, rather than the other one that was 13. It's 2 hours more. I think the old one was actually 12, so I think it's 3 hours more actually. So this is the actual packet towards the Osmo, and this is the handling booklet. It's telling you everything that you need to know how to do and what to do. I don't know, a lot of this is in Chinese. I'm pretty sure like one part is in like Chinese, one part's in Spanish. This is for like, for all the people who speak different things. Okay, this is the quick start guide. These are telling the contents. This is the quick start guide. All of this is in. Sorry guys, all of this is in Chinese, so can't really read. Oh, this is okay. Now these are in English. Okay, where I just had it. Okay, this is Spanish. Where's the English at? There's no English? Dang, that's crazy. You sell it in an English store and don't have any English in it. But okay, this is like, I guess there's a lot of pictures in here, so you have to picture out everything and all of the reasons and ways to use this. So we're gonna set this over here with the other 2 booklets just for you guys to see. Okay, now I'm gonna try these out. I'm gonna put my phone on here real quick. Let me go get my phone, you guys, and I'll be right back in a snap. What is up, Mom? This is the video of it. The footage looks very freaking smooth on it. I'm not gonna lie. I really do like it. It's very smooth footage. Like, look at this door. We're gonna do this door real quick. It's very smooth. See how smooth it is. It's not even picking up my footsteps. You know, see it? I could leave it like this. It comes up to it. It is pretty freaking cool, guys. It's like you're walking through a movie, bro. It's pretty cool. We're gonna go outside and get some outside shots. Be at you in a sec. But yeah, guys, it's pretty freaking cool. How's it look? It's like real smooth. Like it's good.
Yeah, it's not moving.
Yeah, it's really smooth. That's cool. But it has a control on here too. And you can make it go up. Make it go down. That's pretty cool. If I was looking like I could get a top view right here. I see.
Pussy nigga got me fucked up. Nigga, stop that flagging, you ain't in that water. Don't fuck with my